What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and we're at it again with another video. Today we're here to talk about the iClever Foldable Wireless Keyboard. Now this isn't my first iClever Foldable Wireless Keyboard. I actually have one that's a little bit nicer, has more of a metal finish, and it folds a little bit more. That one actually has 3 sections. So it's got a middle, and then it's got a left outside and a right outside. So these keyboards come in several different foldable layouts. That other keyboard option can be found in a playlist called Futuristic Gear. And I'll put a pop-up card in the corner of this video so you can click on it and go to that playlist. All things said, let's go ahead and get into it. So here we are with the unboxing. Now this unboxing is straightforward, so I went ahead and laid out all the items. We have the keyboard here, we have the product review card, we have the user manual, and we have the micro USB charging cable. So let's talk about the keyboard. The keyboard has a smooth felt-like feel to it, and it feels good. The keyboard opens up easily with some magnetic resistance along the edges. To protect the finish when the keyboard is folded, we actually have some rubber bumpers on the right side of the keyboard. Once the keyboard is unfolded, we have 2 LED indicators that add to the futuristic effect. The first LED is the battery capacity indicator, and that gives us 3 types of information. This indicator will flash red as a charge reminder, it'll stay red while the keyboard is charging, and it'll go out once the keyboard is charged. Underneath this, we have the status LED indicator, and this gives us 3 types of information as well. This indicator illuminates blue when we turn the keyboard on to let us know that it's actually on. This LED indicator will also let us know that we're in parent mode. So if we press function and select one of the parent profiles, it'll flash blue, and that indicates that we are in parent mode. Now this LED also tells us that we've successfully paired a device when it finally goes out. And I don't have anything on profile 2, so we're going to select profile 1, and you'll actually see that go out. That means that we've actually paired to a device, and that device is the one that I'm recording this video with, which is a Pixel 4 XL. So as you can see, pairing devices here is pretty easy, but this keyboard is also nice because you can pair up to 3 different devices, and they're saved once you pair them. And what this means is that it's going to be super easy to switch in between devices when using this keyboard. Now as for charging, this keyboard has a micro USB port on the top left-hand side. And this keyboard takes about 4 hours to charge per the instructions. Now that sounds like a lot, but this keyboard is rated at 40 hours of uninterrupted work time and 30 hours on standby. Now, a hidden feature of this keyboard is it can actually be folded backwards onto itself, and that's pretty cool because once you plug in that micro USB charging cable, you can see the charge indicator and you'll be able to see when it goes out, and then you'll know when the keyboard is fully charged. Okay, so final thoughts. So this keyboard is slim and foldable, and honestly that means it fits into the foldable revolution. And that means it's also futuristic. The keys also have scissor switches which provide good feedback. The keys are also spaced out like a regular keyboard, and that's going to help with accuracy. Now there is one obstacle with this device. Now on this keyboard there is a gap in the middle where it folds, that makes sense, but that creates a learning curve as well. Now because of this, some of the keys are changed towards the center of the keyboard, such as that spacebar, which is going to be split in half. Now when I first started typing with this keyboard, I did make some mistakes initially, but once my brain started to catch on, I got a little bit better. So this is something that you can learn, but it's going to take a little bit of practice. Now again, this keyboard is slim, it can fold up, it can fit in a pocket, and I think that slight learning curve is worth it. Overall, I like the concept. I'm glad this company makes this kind of hardware. And honestly, this is something that I would recommend to the viewers. So honestly, if you like futuristic gear and you like something that might create a conversation piece, you just like something that you can kind of just whip out and you can unfold it and start typing away, this is for you. So that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, please leave a like. If you have any questions or comments, as always, drop those down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Now there are 3 ways you can support the channel. The first way is to click on the Amazon storefront link found in the description below. There you'll find items that I have bought or I would like to buy, and anything that you do buy from the storefront does support the channel. The next way to support the channel is just by sharing this video with someone who might enjoy it or find it useful. And the last way to support the channel is just by clicking that subscribe button. Now liking and subscribing are important. Those are your ways to vote on whether you like the video or the channel. Liking and subscribing are also important for new viewers. If new viewers see likes and subscribers, they think that the videos are helpful and the channel is worth watching. So that is pretty much it. And until next time, Leon checking out.